Good morning, good morning. June 20th, just after the AM session. Right here you're seeing a couple trade executions I took this morning. I didn't execute the way I know I can. Right here I went short, forgive that typo, at 4440.25. And you'll see me typing out what type of price action I'd like to see. We're tapping into a 3-minute fair value gap, and I want to see that respected, which we get. And we have some draws on liquidity down below. We have that fair value gap I just marked up, and we would like to see price disrespect it, and we disrespected it. So the trade is going in our direction, and you'll see once I show the RR, like my profit target, my partials are all there. We went about 6 points in our favor, and usually I take 5 points, but I'm also trying to build a skill set where I can hold to my terminus, to my true draw on liquidity, and it's just tough with the trailing drawdown. But you'll see here I'm watching the price action, and then I start over managing the trade. Like, we're tapping into another bearish fair value gap. I put the 50% on it, and we're breaking above it. So now I'm getting fearful. Now I'm doubting myself, and instead of taking 6 points, I actually end up taking it for a quarter of a point, or basically break even, just because for a couple minutes it wasn't going in my direction. So this is all part of developing as a trader, and I'm really working on accepting the risk. It's crazy because this is not even like my own money, eval accounts. I'm not losing anything out of my bank, but the risk, I still feel it. As you can see, it took only 2 more minutes for it to start expanding back to the downside, and eventually it would have at least hit my partials target, would have hit 5 points. Like, I had opportunities to have a really solid trade, and I would have been done. But as you see the note there, as Mark Douglas says, there's nothing to think about, and there's no way to know the outcome. So I should just let it play out. And I know the next time I do it, it's going to hit my stop and it's going to feel bad, but I need to get over it. We're putting in a bearish fair value gap. At this point, I realize that we're forming a breakaway gap, so I market ordered in. And since I already kind of messed up on the first trade, I'm looking for a conservative 5 points. And as you'll see here, I mismanaged this trade again. This trade would have worked. It would have netted more than 5 points. Seeing trades work out should be a confidence builder, and I am gaining confidence in knowing that I can call these. I can do it. It's just a matter of executing in the moment. Every day is different. Your emotions are different. All that stuff plays into it. This is a high performance sport. So you'll see here in a moment, I start taking partials because I'm scared. I'm stressed, and then I end up closing the trade for like 2 points or something, like total on 5 MES contracts. Probably more than that. I'm up like $50 on the day, which is fine. But considering the potential that was there, I could have did better. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was insightful, and until next time, see ya. Oh, my bad. This is a screenshot. I wanted to show where it actually ended up because the video ended. As you can see, it went probably like an extra 5 points. I don't have my charts up anymore, but the expansion to the downside is exactly what I was expecting. And that was a second trade there that I closed early that would have netted me really nice gains. So I'm up 50, happy about it. Happy about getting the draw on liquidity right, getting the direction right. Decent entries. Market orders suck, but there's definitely improvements to be made, because instead of $50, I could have been up like 200, 300, something like that. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.